Hey guys, it's Terry. Showing you something today that's kind of interesting. Doing an install of a Kenwood dual band radio with a remote head in Holly's car, and it's going. It's a 2010, I think, Ford Edge, and coming to an interesting rub. It's the first time I've installed a radio like this in a car that had this feature. Check this out. Okay, so here's the remote head. Typically I mount these up on the windshield so that you can basically have a heads-up display for your radio, and you don't have to take your eyes off the road to adjust the radio. What's interesting is this car has curtain side airbags. And what I'm going to need to do here is ensure that the cable coming from the control head runs down the other side of this A-arm, so that if for some reason the curtain side airbag deployed out and covered this area right here, it would not yank this off of the front of the windshield there and knock it into the driver's face. And I really, don't want that to happen to my wife. So there's just something new and different that is with this car. Just thought I'd show you guys and make you aware of it. Take care. Bye.